Hello and welcome. Now we are going to start our project number 4, Terraform GitLab CI CD automation. If you don't have knowledge of Terraform, you don't need to worry about this, because aim of this particular project is to understand how CI CD pipeline is working with different DevOps tools. Yes, you can learn Terraform after completing this particular GitLab course. Link is in description. You will get all the details about our Terraform course. Right now, concentrate on this particular project. After completing Git and GitLab course, you can go for the Terraform. You don't need to worry about this right now. So let's start our project number 4. First of all, we are going to start with the project objective. Automate the provisioning of AWS EC2 instance using Terraform through the CI CD pipeline. Terraform is a tool we are using for infrastructure as a code. By writing code, you can create infrastructure in any public cloud. For example, you can create resources for your AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud platform. You can use Terraform directly as a standalone tool, but when you are going to use Terraform with automation, with CI CD pipeline, it will provide you great flexibility to work in a collaborative environment. This is really very interesting topic, or we can say that project. Now, let's talk about prerequisites. If you want to create this project, you must have a GitLab account and repository for your project. Second, an AWS account with permission to create resources. And the third one, AWS access key and secret key for Terraform to interact with your AWS account. How we are going to create our access key and secret key, I will provide you all this detail step by step, but these three are actually prerequisites for our project. Now, before I am going to start our project, I want you to understand little bit about Terraform. So we are going to discuss about Terraform in the next video of this project. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.